Hello and welcome to Global 9 Honors Screencast for the week of March 22nd through the 26th. This is week 27 of the school year, and you probably are finding this video in your teacher's folder for marking period 3, week 27, and you're probably in Screencast for week 27. This week should be pretty simple. We actually only have two Ed Puzzle videos that come with some basic multiple choice questions for each one. You should do good with it. It's a nice overview of the history of China. There's a good reflection in these videos that will refer back to, the mandate from heaven, Confucius, filial piety, respect, things like that, which are really good carryovers. And of course, the focus with the Qin and Han Dynasty has been the focus the last 2 weeks. Specifically, this last week we've been looking at the Han Dynasty with the rise and fall, of course, the Golden Age, and now the fall of Han Dynasty. Excuse me. So when you click into each one of these, you should be able to see this video. They're like 10, 12 minutes, and a couple of questions. I'll just put a warning out. A couple of questions are not multiple choice. They're like check all that apply. But I think you'll like the animations in this one here, and then the next video. This narrator does a good job talking through it, and you'll see each of these different characters kind of slide in and out. So give it your best try. If you have any questions or if there's some issue with Edpuzzle not working properly, please email your teachers so that we can get on it and make sure that you're able to complete this before Friday night at 11:59. Hope all is well, and again, email your teachers if you have any questions. Thank you.